Hey guys, John Engel here, and today we're going off the charts and making a rap video. It's not clickbait if it's true. Stay tuned. Hey guys, John Engel here, and I've got some great news. Today we're going to fix that by installing a brand new double DIN. So today we're going to do an oil change and replace those. Alright, so we've got a lot of things going on today. One, we're going to make a rap video, and two, I'm going to do some giveaways. We're almost at 7,000 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough, so I want to give away some free t-shirts and some other swag as well. So what I want you to do is wait till the end of the video and I'll tell you exactly how to do that. So a good friend of mine, Byron, asked if he could use the house and some of the cars for a music video shoot. Now, I did none of the video, I did none of the rapping, well, because I am too gangster, and all I did was sit around and get to watch. But this is the cool part. If any of you remember when MTV used to do world premieres, that's what we're gonna do right now. And remember, after the video, we're gonna do some giveaways.
I'm feeling great. I'm feeling great. I could be dead, but still I'm alive. Let's go get the cake. I feel good. I feel good. I got the juice. I got the juice. Every day I celebrate life. I gotta get loose. I gotta get loose. I feel good. I'm feeling great. I feel good. I could be dead, but still I'm alive. Let's go get the cake. Yeah. I feel good. I feel good.
Another Mighty exclusive.
Ride, she wanna ride with you. Smoke, drink, get high with you. Now help her see and started blowing up. Gold diggers on the scene started showing up. She wanna ride, she wanna ride with you. Smoke, drink, get high with you. Now help her sister started getting big. I remember when you wasn't rocking with the kid. Nowadays these hoes, man, they do the most. Used to be a stranger, now you acting like we really close. I remember when I never used to be a top vote. And I remember when you used to never share my posts. Now you see me winning, you trying to get a bone. Never used to call me, have my number in your phone. Thirsty ass dog, just trying to get a bone. Keep the same vibe, fam, just leave me alone. See, I'm a player with it, let me show you how to get it. Everything you said you done, I already did it. You used to see my songs, but you wouldn't even click it. But now you in the line and my show's buying tickets. She wanna ride, she wanna ride with you. Smoke, drink, get high with you. Now help her sister started blowing up. Gold diggers on the scene started showing up. She wanna ride, she wanna ride with you. Smoke, drink, get high with you. Now help her sister started getting big. I remember when you wasn't rocking with the kid. Coming from a city where they love to hate, showing love behind closed doors, but not in your face. Now they see me getting it, make them do a double take. Low-key hating, they don't want to see you great. I guess I understand why these getting mad. With no support, I be still popping tags. Riding in my Z like I'm riding in the Jag. 180 on the dash, got a going fast. Blowing right past to my gas on E. Ain't stopping for nobody, ain't nobody stopping me. Now I see you eyeing, but before you couldn't see. Not 100 dogs shining, now you all on my D. She wanna ride, she wanna ride with you. Smoke, drink, get high with you. Now help her sister started blowing up. Gold diggers on the scene started showing up. She wanna ride, she wanna ride with you. Smoke, drink, get high with you. Now help her sister started getting big. I remember when you wasn't rocking with the kid.
Another Mighty exclusive.
Alright guys, I know this was a very short video, but sweet and to the point. You got to see Byron's new music video, Ride. We're going to give some free shirts away. Make sure that you like, subscribe, leave me some comments, and we're going to pick someone from the comments below. Now remember, you have to leave a comment and you have to be a subscriber. You get free swag. Anyway, we'll catch you next time.